Welcome back to the Clear channel. Zach, how are you, sir?
Good. Good. How are you?
Good. I'm fine, sir.
I'm good.
I'm good. I'm very, very good. Very good.
Yeah, it's Friday. I mean, what the hell?
Well, and when we recorded this video, it's Friday, right? So
yeah, that's true.
Cardano,
Forget that.
ADA, whales are buying. I got some stats that I'm going to blow you away with, by the way. Here we go. So let me show you this. So ADA whale accumulation has picked up in the last couple of days, but this is what blew me away. So let's define a Cardano ADA whale right now. They hold between 1 million to 100 million ADA in a wallet. That's the definition of a whale. Okay, look at this. They have added 217 million ADA tokens to their bag since January 1st. That number absolutely blew me away. Also, and I'm gonna give you this fact, and then I want your opinion. Look at this data from Sentiment shows that these addresses, these addresses, and they don't define how many of these addresses there are, okay? But these addresses that hold that much in their respective wallets control 57.2% of ADA's circulating supply, which translates to 19.7 billion tokens. I mean, what is your thoughts on that? That was crazy. I mean, that number blew me away.
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't shock me. I mean, there are whales in all great crypto projects, right? Yeah. And what we've seen most of the time with whales, yes, they sell, they take profits, but yes, they buy. Yeah. And more often than not, they are accumulating. I mean, sure, they're taking profits on pumps and things like that. But, you know, I think whales get a bad rap. But in reality, if you don't have whales, you're not a top crypto. So it's kind of like this double-edged sword, right? It's like, damned if you do, damned if you don't with the whales.
I think it's the ongoing education of, I think you and I, you know, we were talking about this the other day offline. We were just talking one day and we were talking about that we are A, early in crypto, and B, that the average crypto investor, and this is not a bad thing, and it's a good thing because we have a lot of new people that are coming into investing in general, but they're coming into crypto. They're not overly experienced, right? And so they don't understand. I mean, let's call it what it is. There are whales, if you want to use that term, that own Apple stock, that own Amazon. I mean, so these are just large net worth individual or corporations or, you know, entities or
Elon
whatever.
Musk is a whale in Tesla.
There you go.
You know? Yeah. And I mean, here's the thing. We're so early in crypto, you still have time to become a whale. So don't think it's like out of the realm of possibilities that you can't hold a million ADA one day too. I mean, that's the power of dollar cost averaging, right? Especially during times in the bear market.
Yeah. I mean, it's just, again, right. It's and I know people out there be like, well, I don't like whales because then they can sell and they can dump. No, they buy low. They have a plan. They sell when they're in profit and they take profits. What we all 100%. Should be doing.
Yeah. And here's the thing. We should be following their footsteps when they're buying.
That's the narrative.
Like they just were on the first, right? I mean, so to your point, Austin, all this money coming in, I'm looking at January 1st. We were down there at 27 cents, or excuse me, 24 cents, down below 25 cents. Now we're, you know, about 27.5 cents. So they've moved the needle here. But like we were talking about it when it was down there at 25 cents for a while, it's a great time to acquire. Great time to acquire. And it's hard to time it perfectly. That's why, you know, we always talk about dollar cost averaging too, right?
Yeah. Well, to your point, you know, so that piece of content was talking about that the whale started buying approximately on January 1. So we were at 24 cents. And if you're, you know, and so look at what's happened. Here we were 24, 25. And then all of a sudden now we're back up here in 27 cents.
Yep.
That, you know, it's going up. You know?
And here's the thing with Cardano. I want to say this as a final note. I know we're trying to wrap it up, but where it's like, here's why I love ADA, just boiled down. It's a top 10 crypto, but it's so new. It has so much room to go in terms of development. They just had their biggest upgrade with the Vasile hard fork. More developers are now going to be coming in like crazy, right? And what you're finding is a lot of people are coming off of the Solana network right now because of their outages and some of the issues they had. A lot of people searching for new places that got burned by Terra Luna. So Cardano's taken a lot of those people. So is Matic. But I just love Hoskinson and the leadership there. They're very different and they're solving real world problems. So That's just my 10-second, pitch on ADA.
Yeah, I
Man.
mean, run Cardano through your own due diligence, but there's nothing really bad in my opinion. I know there's definitely the Cardano ADA. There's people out there that don't like them, but I'm a fan. So
I like them. Yeah.
all right. If you want to learn more about ClearCryptos, what they're doing, links in the description below. Check out their website, their socials, their Discord. Get involved and check them out. We'll see you. Bye.